Hey guys, welcome to another video on this channel. In this video I'm going to talk about top 8 cameras for YouTube videos. There are many types of vlogs out there, but they all have one thing in common. A good camera. You must consider things like budget, portability, image and audio quality, recording time, and battery life. Here are some of the most popular cameras for vloggers to fit every need and budget. In 2019, YouTube stated that each day more than 700,000 hours of content was uploaded and over a billion hours of video were watched on their service. And yes, that is each and every day. While 2020 YouTube statistics haven't been released, as of the time of writing, these numbers are likely even higher. COVID-19 has seen more and more businesses jump to YouTube in an effort to supplement or even pivot away from their existing business models as they try to reach consumers who can no longer physically come to them. Add to this the expanding number of vloggers entering the space and even making full-time careers on YouTube, and the amount of content being produced and consumed each day isn't so shocking. But getting started creating videos for YouTube is not without its challenges. There are a lot of factors you need to consider when starting out, such as what kind of equipment you need and how to put together a video once you've shot it. If you're asking about that, how can I choose the right camera for my YouTube videos? There are too many factors like what type of videos you want to create, what camera form factor you prefer, what your budget is, and how much editing you want to put into your videos will all shape what kind of camera you should choose. In this video, I'm going to help you think about how to choose the best camera for your YouTube videos. Today we've come up with the list of top 8 cameras for YouTube in 2021. So let's get started. Starting of our countdown from number 8, which is Panasonic GH5. 2 years on and the Panasonic GH5 is still a firm favorite among YouTubers and amateur filmmakers, and it's little wonder. Unlike the GH5S, the GH5 has in-body stabilization, 5-axis dual is 2, but like the GH5S it can still shoot 10-bit 4K internally. The camera's autofocus has significantly improved since it launched, thanks to software updates. And its slow motion capture is also sensational, with speeds of 180 FPS in Full HD and 60 FPS in 4K. Bear in mind, though, that Panasonic's contrast-based AF system still hunts a lot, and that can be very distracting in your videos. If you're not going to be manually focusing, you might be better served by the Olympus, which has rock-solid phase detect AF. With an articulating display that opens out to the side, it won't be blocked by a shotgun mic mounted on the hot shoe, so you can vlog obstruction-free. And it also has a full-sized HDMI out for easy-to-access clean video. Perfect for pairing with an Atomos Ninja V. And coming at the number 7, which is Sony a6600. The Sony a6600 is the ultimate camera for anyone who wants to shoot video all day long with as little battery swapping or charging as possible. Its NP-FZ100 battery can record for in excess of 3 hours at a time. That's 3 times as long as the video capture time of the Canon EOS M6 Mark II. And roughly 5 times as long as cinema cameras like the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K. It's also one of the first Sony A-series cameras to feature a fully articulating screen. And while microphone ports are commonplace now, the a6600 also has a headphone jack so you can monitor your audio. While the a6600 is anything but cheap, given that it has in-body stabilization and can record unlimited 4K, if you've got the money and want the ultimate vlogging camera, this could well be it. Number 6. Canon EOS M6 Mark II. With its 32.5MP sensor, the Canon EOS M6 Mark II sports the highest resolution of any APS-C camera, along with the Canon EOS 90D that was announced alongside it. It's also the first mirrorless stills camera from Canon to capture uncropped 4K video, a boon for YouTubers who need a wide angle for vlogging. With dual pixel AF, it's also a great choice for solo shooters who don't have a camera person on hand, keeping everything looking sharp. As with the original M6, there's no viewfinder, which will suit YouTubers just fine, and the screen flips out visible over the top of the camera. This isn't much use if you intend on using the hot shoe for a shotgun mic, but if you have a lav mic for audio, it's a great setup. With a microphone jack and a USB-C port, it's off to a good start from a connections point of view. And while Canon doesn't have a wide range of lenses for the M6 Mark II's FM mount, with the addition of an inexpensive adapter, the camera can take EF lenses, although still with that APS-C 1.6x crop factor. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action. DJI has managed to create an action cam that stacks up to the best out there when it comes to stabilization and picture quality, and thanks to its all-encapsulating ultra-wide angle, it's also the perfect vlogging camera for YouTubers, provided audio quality isn't a priority. Despite being the first of its line, innovating in the action cam space with a front display that's very handy for framing. While video captured on the GoPro is a touch flatter, lending itself to being edited, which means video professionals could well prefer it. The Osmo Action's footage is a bit more YouTube ready. And it warms up skin tones that bit more too. It isn't perfect, there are live view lag issues at max resolution when the camera's rocksteady stabilization is active, while the app experience was also nothing short of terrible in our time with it. If you're looking for an action cam that's going to give you maximum bang for your buck, the Osmo Action is it. Number 4. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The original action camera brand, GoPro is still a YouTuber favorite, with a world-class flagship product that delivers excellent image quality and stabilization for die-hard action fans and globetrotters. It may be more expensive than the DJI Osmo Action, but the GoPro Hero 9 Black now has a 1.4-inch front-facing screen for easy framing of selfies and videos. And there's a wider range of third-party accessories. It's also got some really neat features. The most useful being HyperSmooth 3.0, an image stabilization system that works so well. The result is super smooth handheld shots. It's also really hard to resist the option to capture in 5K video, even though it's only in 30 frames per second. It also fills up SD cards pretty quick. There's more in store from the GoPro Hero 9 Black in the shape of the brand's Max Lens mod, which makes use of the camera's removable lens cover by bringing an ultra-wide 155 degrees field of view that will be useful for group vlogging, yoga classes, and education. Max Lens mod will also bring a 360 degrees modes pioneered by the GoPro Max 360 degrees horizon lock, which means you can rotate through 360 degrees. GoPro now has a suite of modular accessories. The medium mod wraps around the Hero 9 Black and enables GoPro Light mode and display mod if you need an even bigger front-facing screen to be attached. Number 3. DJI Osmo Pocket. Fuss-free YouTubing never looked so steady or fitted so easily in pockets and hands. The DJI Osmo Pocket is effectively an all-in-one gimbal and camera combo capable of capturing up to 4K footage and 12MP photos with silky smooth stabilization. Despite being absolutely tiny, it records onto microSD cards and has a small screen, so YouTubers and vloggers can frame their footage perfectly. If you need a bigger viewfinder, it also connects to DJI's app for iOS and Android, delivering even more granular control with the wireless adapter, sold separately. Out of the box there are undeniable limitations, which is unsurprising given the pocket's size. There's no external mic input, the lens isn't action camera wide, and there aren't any mounting options for time-lapse video, which the pocket is capable of shooting. Having said that, DJI has thought things through, and additional accessories open you up to a world of better audio and even waterproofing if you're prepared to kit your Osmo Pocket out. Number 2. Sony RX100 Mark VII. The Sony RX100 Mark VII looks virtually identical to its predecessor, the RX100 Mark VII, which is still on the market. But with the newer version you get a microphone input. Not to mention a faster sensor packing Sony's latest autofocus, complete with newly added eye tracking. With its articulating screen that faces forward and down, it's excellent for vlogging, and with a nice, wide 24mm lens that goes all the way out to 200mm, it delivers more versatility than the competition too. A key differentiator for any YouTuber between the RX100 Mark VII and most of its competition is the maximum 4K capture time. While by default it captures a maximum of 5 minutes of 4K footage. Jump into the settings and set the auto power off temp option to high, and it can record for much longer, in excess of 1 hour. Number 1. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. One of the biggest bugbears vloggers and video makers have with Canon is the crop factor when shooting 4K on many of its cameras, but the G7X Mark III bucks the trend. Thank goodness. This high-end compact packs a similar body and an identical lens to the G7X Mark II, but includes a new sensor and no 4K crop. It was also the first camera of its kind with a microphone input. Vital if you want clean audio, not to mention the ability to live stream straight to YouTube. This means that even if you've got an expensive cinema camera, if you also have a G7X Mark III, you can create a fuss-free live setup without any expensive capture cards and a PC. With its flip-out screen, the G7X III also gives vloggers a clear view of themselves when they shoot, and thanks to its 20.1 MP 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor and Digicate processor, it's also able to capture great stills, so your custom thumbnails can pop nicely. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you out, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe and push the notification bell icon for stay tuned. Peace out.